Welcome to this brief guide on how to use keyboard shortcuts on Mastodon. For those of us that just love using shortcuts or potentially have some form of temporary or permanent impairment that inhibits our ability to use a mouse, you'll be happy to know that there are plenty of shortcuts available to you on the Mastodon web interface. To see a full list of those, we can utilize the link found down here in the corner that says keyboard shortcuts. This will give us a view of all of the available shortcuts that we can utilize during our experience on Mastodon. Today we'll go through quite a few of these. The first of which is going to be the keyboard shortcut G+H, which will allow us to go to our home timeline. As you can see, I've now gone to my home timeline and have not needed to use my mouse in order to do so. Now while I'm here, I'm going to scroll down until I find a post with an image, and here we are. So now I'm going to select this post so that it's highlighted, and as long as it's highlighted, I can use the keyboard shortcut E to open the media that's in this post and make it full screen. I can also use escape to unfocus and go back from that particular option. I can even use the keyboard shortcut H to hide the media or unhide it should I wish. On top of all of these, there's a few other little things that we can do. The first one we're going to show off is the ability to open the author's profile with the keyboard shortcut P. This is a great way to be able to quickly open up someone's profile and follow them should I wish. And if I didn't mean to do that, I can use the backspace key and that will take me back to the previous page. I can also use the keyboard shortcut B to either boost or unboost a post. And hitting that, you can see I've now just boosted that post, and I'm going to press it again to unboost it. Because what I want to do is I want to use the keyboard shortcut R. And as you can see, when I click on that, it automatically initiates a reply to the post that I had selected. Now, when I take my focus away from that compose box, I can now use the keyboard shortcut N to reinitiate my focus inside the compose box, as you can see by the cursor now being there. And if my cursor is not focused there, I can use the keyboard shortcut S to focus on the search box. So if I'm browsing through the home timeline, hitting S will enable me to initiate a search very easily. Now, a few other navigation-based ones. We can use G+N, which will go to our notifications. As you can see, I'm now in my notifications area. I can also use G+L to go to my local timeline. And the one that's a little bit awkward and a little bit odd is G+T to go to your federated timeline. The reason for this is G+F will go to posts that you have favorited. Now here I am inside my federated timeline, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the reply here, and I'm going to show off a couple of posting based ones. So Alt+N will automatically initiate a new post. And if your focus is outside of the compose box here as well, you can also use Alt+X to show or hide the content warning box. Makes it nice and easy for you to create your content warnings should you need to. And then last but not least, if you forget any of the keyboard shortcuts, you can use the keyboard shortcut !, to be able to quickly and easily open up the available shortcut commands. And that is the keyboard shortcuts available to you in the Mastodon web interface. I hope you found this tip extremely useful, and it makes navigating the Mastodon client just that little bit easier for you in the future, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.